Number 1. Apple. Do you remember the old saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Well, not only a doctor but also the extra pounds as well. Apples contain the highest percentage of pectin. This is a soluble fiber. There was an interesting study in Brazil about weight loss and apples. Two groups of dieters were getting exactly the same amount of calories but with one exception. One group was getting an apple before each meal, and this group lost 33% more in weight. Number 2. Garlic is one of the most effective fat-burning foods. It contains the compound allicin, which has antibacterial effects and helps reduce cholesterol and unhealthy fats. Number 3. Tomatoes are rich with nutrients and vitamins, help to fight the fat buildup. Tomatoes also help prevent cancer and high blood pressure. Eat raw foods for maximum benefits. Number 4. Carrots. Adding a carrot to the beginning of every meal is a very effective way to lose weight. Why, do you ask? The carrot leaves no room in the stomach for the dessert. When using this trick, you should be able to lose about a pound in 1 week. Number 5. Oranges are rich in vitamin C and they have fat-burning properties. Compared with exercises, they are an effective way to lose fat. Number 6. Mangoes. This food is very low in saturated fat, cholesterol and sodium. It is also a good source of dietary fiber and vitamin B6, and a very good source of vitamin A and vitamin C. Number 7. Spinach. Popeye was definitely onto something. Spinach is a superfood loaded with tons of nutrients in a low-calorie package. Dark leafy greens like spinach are important for skin and hair, bone health, and provide protein, iron, vitamins and minerals. Number 8. Strawberries. If you're not already a fan of strawberries, you should be. Not only are they juicy, summery and delicious, they're a bona fide superfood too. Nutrient-rich and packed with antioxidants like vitamin C, strawberries offer a wide range of health benefits, some of which may surprise you. Number 9. Kiwi fruit is also a very good source of dietary fiber. Diets that contain plenty of fiber can reduce high cholesterol levels, which may reduce the risk of heart disease and heart attack. Last but not the least. Number 10. Lemons. Excellent liver detoxifiers. Lemons also alkalize our body. They may seem acidic based on taste, but in the process of being metabolized by the body, they actually alkalize our bodily fluids and tissues. Maintaining the health of the liver is also imperative to the body's ability to digest and burn fat, since the liver is one of the organs responsible for these functions. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.